guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look right here. I just created this emerald green kind of smoky eye. I wanted to use the color Throne, yes, the color Throne in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I will list all the products that I used in this video in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go check that out. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with my videos in the future, and leave me some comments in the comment section below. I would love to speak to you guys. I would love to talk to y'all. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I'm still trying to get up there, so I'm gonna need y'all help a little bit, just a little bit. But enough rambling, let's just get into the tutorial. First, I'm taking this color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and it's called Saturn, and I'm just going to use that as a transition color. Next, I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to take Saffron, this color right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Right here, and I'm gonna put it in my outer crease. I'm gonna take my Morphe blending brush that I used to put this color down, and I'm gonna just blend that out. Now I'm taking this beautiful green color right here in the Prism palette, and it's called Thorn, and I'm going to put this, oh look at that, that is so pretty. I'm going to put this on my lid. Now I'm just going to take this black color right here from the Prism palette called Obsidian, and I'm gonna put that in my outer corner. Okay, so I'll put my lashes on off camera, so we're gonna go back to the eyes after I finish my face. So for my primer today, I'm gonna take the NYX Hydra Touch primer, and I'm going to put this all on my face. For those who may not know, I have dry skin, so I need something hydrating, and I do use oil control or oil control based primer. It does help me out sometimes, but majority of the time I need something that's hydrating. So I bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick a week or so ago in the shade Espresso, and I used it one time, but it looked like it wasn't my shade, so I'm gonna try it again today, and maybe it'll just oxidize in my skin. So hopefully it'll work out for me. We're gonna see. So it's coming up a little bit darker on my face than it is on camera, but I'd rather have a foundation that's a little bit darker than lighter, because you can always fix it. So now I'm just gonna take the Mario Badescu setting spray, spray my face. Look how flawless that looks. Like I said, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Espresso, and it is so flawless. I love it. Okay, maybe the second time was a charm. Now I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel and highlight my face. Now I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and blend this all out. Now I'm just going to go back into that foundation brush and just blend everything around. Now I'm going to contour, and of course I'm going to use the Black Opal's foundation stick in ebony. And I'm going to chisel these cheeks and this forehead. Okay, so now I blended everything out. I blended my contour and my concealer out. And I'm going to just take my foundation brush one more time and just blend everything out seamlessly. This, because you do not want any harsh lines at all. And you always want to make sure your contour and concealer are just blended into each other, as well as into your foundation. Okay, so before I set my concealer, I just take my beauty blender again and I blend it out one more time, because you don't want to set your concealer and it's still, you know, creases and stuff. That's not cute. So now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier, or Mercier, whatever you want to call it, setting powder, and I'm going to set my face. And I normally put this on the back of my hand just to get the excess powder off, because you don't want too much powder on your face. Plus I have dry skin, so yeah. Now to set my contour, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Tan to Deep. Now I'm going to take this color right here, and I am using a Morphe brush. It was late nights in your window, fucking on you good, got you bustin' like you Rambo, and you keep the hood so you really understand that. And then I just take the excess powder that's on the brush and I just put it on my nose to slightly contour my nose like this. And I'm using my finder as my mirror right now. Take a little bit, just like a little bit, and go under my lip so it creates that shadow. See? To set my entire face, I'm going to take my baby, of course, and that's the Smashbox Powder Foundation in Deep Matte. And this just brings everything together. So while I'm letting this powder sit, I'm just going to go right back to my eyes. I'm just going to take Chiffon in the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette and put that in my under eye. Now I'm going to take that green from the Prism palette and I'm going to put that in my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to take my mascara and put it in my lower lash line. Next I'm taking the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray and I'm going to spray my face. Next I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter, if you can see that, and Moscow Mule, and I'm going to highlight my face. Next I'm going to take the NYX Matte Lip Liner in Mason and line my lips. Next I'm going to take this lipstick from the Nicki Minaj collection It's called Nicki's Nude, and I'm going to put that all over my lips. Since I want a glossy lip, I'm going to take Saint Tropez lip gloss, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to put this all over my lip, and it's like a pretty iridescent color. It basically matches my highlight. It's so pretty. Let me turn my light down so you guys can see a little bit better. So yes, you guys, this is the finished look. Definitely need to change these earrings because they're not working for me at all. Okay. Much better. So yes, like I said, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.